Welcome to my channel. This is Technophile Vasant. In this video, we're gonna calculate the BMI using Python programming. Okay, in the previous day 3, I have shown about the if-else statement, how the conditions works in it. With the help of the if-else statement, we're gonna calculate the BMI in Python. I just want to open Python. Okay. This is day 3 order event code. Okay, I'm gonna create a new Python file that's named BMI. Okay, I'm gonna close day 3. First thing, we're gonna get height and weight of the user. Okay, let's see here. The formula is weight in kg and height meter square. Okay, this is the formula. Then the required elements are weight and height here to calculate BMI, height and weight. So I'm gonna height is equal to int input of what is your height in meters. That's very important. What's your height in meters? And weight of, we should get input of what is your weight in kgs, right? Okay, after getting the inputs of height and weight from the user, we should implement this formula here. BMI equal to, what's the formula here? Weight divided by height, that is squared right here. Okay, weight divided by height, that is squared. Okay, this is the BMI. Okay, here the height can be in somewhat point wise, right? Like 1.7, 1.6, that may be float value. So here we can give float instead of int. That's maybe more accurate to calculate the BMI here. Okay, this should be, okay, it's got, then we should print, right, the output. Okay, wow, BMI is okay. We can use the f string here. What's BMI? I always use f strings to go with the program. Okay, my height is 1.6, my weight is 50 kgs, so my BMI is 19.5. So many numbers are there after the decimal point, so we should round it off. Round this one with 2 decimal is enough. That comma and what the digits you are implementing here will represents the decimal after the number point. The same input I'm giving here, 1.6 and 50 kgs, 19.53. okay, this is a normal BMI. Then we should implement this. We should say the user that below 18.5 underweight and 18.5 to 18.5 to 24.9 is a normal one, and 25.0 to 20.9 25.0 to 29.9 is overweight, and 30.0 and above is obese. We should say the user, right? Okay. For that, if the BMI is less than 18.5, 18.5, it should print the BMI, and it should say you are underweight. Okay. If elif elif BMI is greater than 18.5 and BMI is less than 24.9, print your BMI is here, BMI, comma, you are what your normal and healthy weight. Let's say you are healthy. Okay, it's right. Okay, next elif statement is BMI is greater than 24.9 and BMI is less than what? Less than 29.9. 29.9. Print. Let's use a statement. Your BMI is BMI, comma, you are overweight. Okay, you are overweight, and if nothing is there, else part, print your BMI is BMI, comma, okay, you are obese. You are overweight. Okay, let's run the code. Again the same input, 1.60, 50 kgs. Oh, pretty sure I'm healthy. Okay, another input like 1.75 with 80 kgs. Okay, you are overweight, and 1.8 with 90 kgs. Okay, I'm overweight. I'm not, so okay, overweight. Sometimes some coders used here centimeter, then you should convert it. With, let's say it's a height one. Your height equal to, if the centimeter means, you should convert into an SI unit like meters. Height 1 divided by 100. Okay, shall I say something like 150 centimeter, and 50 kgs. Okay, 22.22. Okay, usually you can implement a like centimeter or meter as your wish. That's all. Thank you for watching and keep supporting, guys.